What's up, YouTube world? I want to talk to you guys today about the importance of buying a trimmer that you can work with. I don't care what the brand is. If you cannot work the attachment to feed it, the 0.8 or whatever it is for the trimmer line, that weed whacker is no good. I don't care if you bought a Stihl, Echo, or Home Light, or some of these other home brands, or a professional grade one. If you don't know how to work that part, you probably should take it back and get something that's simple enough for you can work every single time. I had some guy today, just randomly, come in the backyard. He saw my truck and trailer out front, but he came in the backyard and said, "Hey, can you help me with this?" I'm like, "Well, your problem is you bought a Stihl. You bought a Stihl trimmer, and those are, I don't know, they're not easy to feed. They're not easy to replace the line. So that's my personal opinion. Okay. Buy an Echo, go to Home Depot and buy a couple Echo Easy Feed speed trimmers heads and just be done with it, I'm not saying Echo's better, but if you need something simple, it's a home residential version and it's almost a professional version. Let's put it this way. I think it's easier to feed or replace the line in an Echo speedhead versus any of the other brands out there. So that's my opinion. And I think it's great because it doesn't matter who you are and what you know, it's personal bias and personal preference. I mean, if you like to have own Stihl products, that's great for you. But for me, I'm going to be with Echo until someone makes a better trimmer head. I've tried different trimmers. I've tried Home Light. I've tried Toro. I've tried all of them. Okay, and I'm not going to try the electrical stuff, the battery power stuff. That's not for me. That's for some homeowner that wants that headache. It's not for me. It's not for my business either. But I helped that guy out. I helped him take the head apart, show him where he went wrong, said, "Hey, this little part right here, when you cut it, it made this dent, so you can't feed the line through there. So what you need to do is take like needle nose pliers to smash it down a little bit so it fits through the hole, because that hole is so tight, so small, I should say, so small that you couldn't fit it through there. So I showed, turn the line around. See, this one will fit through. So you're right, you have the 0.8 like it says online, or the dealer, or the place you bought it from. This particular person bought it from pawn shop. And I'm pretty sure they don't have a return policy. Most of these places don't have a return policy. It doesn't matter. Who cares, right? Who cares? But the point is this. I helped the gentleman out. And I hope him good luck. But, for me, it was a curved shaft. It was a Stihl. Stuff I do not use. So I'm not the expert. But, I learned something. He learned something. I apologize for the flies flying around my head. But we're going to take care of that with some fly swatters. But anyhow, my my day was very profitable. And I can't really say every day is as profitable for the amount of time I put in, but today was better than the average day, and I like that. Friday was a really good day, but I planned for that, It's like a landscape job, and boom, very profitable. Customer went out and bought the mulch. Hey, if you think you're going to save money by buying the mulch yourself versus me, that's fine with me. I'm not here to rip you off. I'm just going to buy a lot more bags of mulch than I need, or a lot more yards of mulch than I need, because I need to cover my base. Sometimes I underestimate, so I'd rather have more. I'd rather have 5 bags more or 10 bags more than what I need, or a quarter yard more than what I need. Simple as that. And I think you can understand that. So if you like this video, give it some thumbs up, like and subscribe, spread the word, and check us out on Patreon and other social websites. Thanks again, as always.